What's up, guys? Today I want to make a video on the Yocan Evolve 2.0. This is the device here. It comes in a box like this. It's for use for concentrates, e-juice, and the distillates. So the device itself has 3 heat settings. You can cycle through them by pressing it 3 times rapidly. 1, 2, 3. And that would just cycle through. It has 3. The lowest is white, and the medium is blue. I actually just cut it off, I think. Alright, so it's on blue right now. I cut it off. It's on white. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so white is low, medium is blue, and green is high. So I'm gonna leave it on medium right now. It actually has a preheat setting as well. You can press it twice and it will preheat your concentrates. So I'm going to test the e-juice pod really quickly, and then we'll test the concentrate pod. So we're vaping on some Air Factory Blue Raspberry Salt Nicotine e-juice, the 5%. So it tastes really well. I've been vaping it for like a week now. I could say that I think that it does have like a little tinge of an extra flavor to it now, since I've been using it for like a week. But these pods are really cheap, and you can buy them on eBay or whatever if you want. So it's not like a huge deal. So now I'm just gonna do like a close-up of the actual device and like a size comparison for a few things. So here we have the device beside a few other devices. So for size comparison, so we have the Evolve 2.0 here by Yocan, obviously, and we have the Juul, and we have a regular cartridge style vape pen, so you can see the size here. Alright, so, and you can also see the device close up. So this is a pretty slick device. It comes in black, silver, and red. I almost got red, but I decided not to because it actually looks more like a burgundy almost, and I was like, nah. But so yeah, it's pretty much the device. We will test the concentrates now. So, and we can also show you how the pods go in. These pods are magnetized, so when you put it in there, it kind of like pops in. So we're just gonna slide it in. It's not as hard as it's looking right now because I'm holding the camera, so it's a little bit. Alright, so actually, let's set it down, and then I'm just gonna, it just kind of slides in. And that time it didn't recognize it. Okay, that time it recognizes it. When you put it in, it lights up when it recognizes it. That's a big problem with pretty much any pod type of system, is that it gets goopy inside of there, and so then the contact points don't make contact or whatever, or it shorts it out or whatever. So every once in a while, if you own a Juul, or if you own any kind of thing with a pod in it, you should like get a paper towel or something and like kind of dry it up in there, because it's you know, it's a situation. So we will open up the concentrate pod as well and show you what it looks like inside of there. It's a dual quartz coil. Alright, so it just kind of pops off like that, and I'm going to give the camera a few seconds to focus. Hopefully it does. Let's see. Maybe so, maybe not. Okay, so I don't think it's gonna focus, but you can use your imagination. It's just like 2 little pieces of glass wrapped around little coils, and it's just 2 of those, and it's just goopy from all the concentrates that have been in there in the last week. So I'm just gonna put the top back on. It's still a little bit in there. It's not like a lot, but these, I feel like, you know, using stuff like this helps with conserving. So, because I feel like it doesn't, I guess it doesn't waste as much, because with the rig or anything, probably a little bit of smoke is gonna escape, or a little bit of vape, I mean. So you lose that, but with the pod it's closed in, so you can't. It's not gonna come out unless. So anyway, I'm gonna hit the concentrate pod right now for a full hit. Okay. And also, it's a common situation with these types of things is that when you suck it, it's like it's stopped up basically, and it just needs like time to heat up. So basically, I'm gonna press it twice. Or actually, I pressed it 3 times out of habit. I'm gonna press it twice. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to go. Alright, so it's on medium setting right now. I'm gonna press it twice really quickly to go into heat up setting, so it just like preheats it. So I'm just gonna do that for a second because it's clogged up. Let's see if it's unclogged now. It's still not unclogged, but just hold it down and it'll just burn it off. That's what you know. So that was a good hit. This is some Mango Tango that I'm actually vaping on right now. It's some decent stuff. It's not the best, so, but it pulls out the best flavor of it, so I can't complain too much. So it's definitely it's no like extra flavor in there. It just tastes like what the concentrates taste like, so it's nothing. It's all good, you know. Vape's all good. So that's the e-juice pod again, but yeah, so it's a pretty neat little device. Definitely recommend it for the price that they currently sell for on eBay. You can get one for like 18 bucks, 17, 18, 19, 20 bucks. Definitely worth a little investment. I would say it's definitely not going to last that long because nothing from China lasts that long. But maybe it will, probably not. But if it doesn't, then you can just buy another one because it's like 20 bucks. So thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more. Probably we'll do a little bit more concentrated reviews, maybe some more product reviews like this. So stay tuned.